Alright, so here we are with the Viking now. We have to shorten the chassis by about 1.46 meters. It's too long. We're going to do the Z cut. There's many ways to do it. This is the right way. And then, yeah, we are also in the process here of clearing the firewall now. So we can put the steering in, the brake booster, the clutch. And then we're closing up that side of the firewall so we can put in the air duct and everything. And hopefully the right-hand dash and all that should be in and sorted by the weekend.
I knew you couldn't go to sleep before you cut this chassis.
Has to be done. So we've marked out the Viking chassis now. Gonna do a Z cut there and a Z cut there. And bring that bitch up to there. And then she should be the right length on both sides. Alright, the point of no return here. As you can see, we've cut the chassis there. We've cut that side there. That side's cut. One more side to cut. And then we can slide this thing together and see if all our measurements are right. I've got a scary feeling it's wrong. I don't know. Maybe it's right. It just seemed too easy, to be honest. But there we go. Check that airplane. Let's zoom in. Fly is could be us, but we're here working. Anna's eating dry horse. Dry horse. So, as you can see, we're hacking the chassis here. Another one there. Last cut happening there. Then the moment of truth. Will it fit? That's the question. Will it fit? Did we measure correctly? Will the thing bolt up to the existing prop shaft? Will it fit?
We're gonna see.
And if it doesn't,
You're not meeting me.
I did the measuring.
For sure.
That's Charlotte. Oh, here we go. This is the moment now. All right, busy cleaning the edges now. That's the piece we took out. Well, some progress. We started cleaning these now. Now we're going to just brace this one to make sure the distance is the same. And then we're going to join these two with some temporary tack welds for today. That way the thing can roll back in again. And then the Viking's back to her original size, but on the new chassis. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to spot this brace in to keep the chassis spread the right distance. Same as that there. And then we're going to spot these two together, spot those two together over there. Test fit of the dash. Pedal box mock-up. Got to now just cut the holes for the masters on the other side. Steering wheel cut in tomorrow. Progress is being made. The right-hand drive. And as you can see, we've shortened the chassis. Now we've got to just tweak the load bed. Pretty soon the Viking will be up and running. It's almost time. We'll be on the road soon, coming to fetch your unfinished projects and giving them a new home.